This is step 7 of our 6-inch smooth operator build.
This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter.
And in this, we're going to be putting in our receiver for our radio. And again, I'm using the FrSky R9MM with the fancier dipole antenna. Now, I just had a little problem that I had to figure out a solution for. And that was, well, I had to route the antenna under the ESC. Now, in Neill's build, he put the receiver right there, but I can't do that because of this long length. So what I've decided I'm going to do is I'm going to run it underneath. And by the way, I had to remove the nuts to lift the board to sneak the receiver underneath it. And because this receiver is flat on top, and I've got so much slack in the antenna, I'm going to have it right sitting on top. And I've determined that when I put this here, I have plenty of room for that to clear. So that's fine putting it on top. And these wires I will shorten and bring back here to connect to the top of the flight controller. And I'll still have access to the bind button right there on top. So that's how I'm going to do that. And I'll put some zip ties on this later to secure this somewhere in this region. And that's really all there is to installing the receiver. Now, if I had a regular XM type FrSky receiver, I would probably have it right there where Neill had his, and I'd need the antennas coming up here because they're going to come to the TPU mount for the little tubes that came out, which I'm not going to be using. So that's it for step 7 and how I worked around a problem. This board is not permanently there, and I'm going to take it out in a few minutes, but it's there just for example to show you how I'm going to put my receiver in this build. All right, next we're going to be doing, well, step 8 was supposed to be soldering the wires on the ESC. We did that earlier. Do as I say, not as I do. You can do that in step 8. So in our next video, we will be doing step 9. And step 9 in my notes is installing the camera. So I'll see you in video number 9. Again, I'm Joel Lightcatcher. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
Thanks for watching till the end of this video. This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, please consider being one of my Patreon subscribers. I'm Joel Lightcatcher, and I really appreciate you spending your time with me. Remember to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes up.